You can't drive. Yeah.
Yeah, drive.
I mean, you can't drive. I'm not driving.
License? License can't drive.
Yes.
You friend do nothing wrong out the road, the police don't attack her.
No, when that time, take your chance.
The police don't attack her. So I have insurance up on my drive while I'm about up her. As long as...
Months, no license. Although you have to stand first, you got to go back and no
What
license.
is the answer for license? What am I asking? Yeah, the answer for license and registration.
But you need fitness to take fine. Somebody. No fitness to handle insurance. You don't want to carry paper.
Carry insurance time, you want to carry up to go back.